Welcome to this third meeting on lambda and chemistry. In this video, we present how to write chemical equations. Chemical equations are written by leaving a blank space before and after the symbols for arithmetic operators, and arrows indicating the direction of the chemical reaction. We start with the addition of chemical compounds with stoichiometric coefficients. Here is an example. 2H subscript 2 space plus space O subscript 2. For equivalence we insert an equal. 2H subscript 2 space plus space O subscript 2 equals 2H subscript 2 O. For chemical equilibrium we insert a biunivocal arrow necessary to indicate that the reaction is reversible. H subscript 2 space plus space F subscript 2 biunivocal arrow 2 H F. Let us now write an example of a chemical equilibrium with a shift of the equilibrium to the right. In this case we enter arrow to the right and arrow to the left with attribute subscribed. Here is an example. X plus Y right arrow subscribed left arrow X Y. Here is an example of chemical equilibrium with equilibrium shift to the left. You enter left arrow and right arrow with attribute subscribed. X, Y, left arrow, subscribed, right arrow, X plus Y. Yet another example of a synthesis reaction, direct and non-reversible. In this case only right arrow is inserted. H, subscript 2 plus 1 over 2, O, subscript 2, right arrow, H, subscript 2, O. Another synthesis reaction, reverse and non-reversible, in this case only left arrow is inserted. H, subscript 2, O, left arrow, H, subscript 2 plus, a half, O, subscript 2. We present a decomposition reaction, directed with liberation of a gas. An up arrow is inserted in this case. CaCO subscript 3 right arrow C. AO plus CO subscript 2 up arrow. Here now is a decomposition reaction directed with precipitation of a solid. In this case a down arrow is inserted. Ca open round bracket H CO subscript 3 close round bracket subscript 2 open round bracket, A, Q, close round bracket, right arrow, H, subscript 2, O, open round bracket, 1, close round bracket, plus, C, O, subscript 2, up arrow plus, C, A, C, O, subscript 3, down arrow. In the next videos, we present how to write chemical reactions with particular indicators, or qualifiers, and an example of chemical equilibrium with displacement and a single indication.